Here are some effective, natural tips for maintaining erections. Eat a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can improve circulation and heart health, directly impacting erectile function. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, help maintain healthy blood flow. Exercise regularly. Physical activity, especially cardiovascular exercises like jogging, swimming, and cycling, improves blood flow, reduces stress, and increases stamina. Pelvic floor exercises can also strengthen muscles that support erections. Manage stress. High levels of stress and anxiety can interfere with sexual performance. Incorporate stress-relieving practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to calm the mind. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep patterns can lower testosterone levels and elevate stress hormones, which can lead to erectile difficulties. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Excessive alcohol intake and smoking can narrow blood vessels and reduce blood flow, which is essential for maintaining erections. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight can cause or exacerbate erectile dysfunction due to decreased blood flow. Staying within a healthy weight range helps improve circulation. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can reduce blood volume and circulation, so drink plenty of water daily to support optimal body functions. Communicate with your partner. Emotional connection and open communication can reduce anxiety, making intimacy more comfortable and natural, which helps in maintaining erections. Consider professional support. For ongoing issues, a doctor can help identify potential medical causes and offer treatments like medications, therapy, or lifestyle recommendations. Each of these strategies can positively impact erection quality and overall well-being when incorporated regularly into your lifestyle.